Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to edit comment on Instagram. So there's an Instagram tutorial. So the first step is that we will just have to launch the Instagram app, and right over here, as you can see, there are all the posts, and I want to just go for this comment section, this tab, and I want to just write I want to buy, and just have to go for post. So it will be just posted my comment. So we will just hold it, and there is an option of reply with a reel, add to story, or delete. There is only three options. So there is no option to edit comment on Instagram. So before you posting, you will just have to create comment on this. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys.